Y'all, it's good. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to make some fish for my lunch today. On the stove top, I'm going to sear it off in some oil. So let's get started. In my little measuring cup here, I have some lemon pepper. I'm also going to add to this some coriander and some Aleppo pepper. And this is my catfish right here. You can use this recipe on any fish you prefer. It's so simple and easy. This video is going to be super short, but let's get into it. Alright, so I'm probably going to add like a teaspoon of each to the lemon peppers. Just going to give it more of a little oomph to your fish with flavor. Mix this up. Maybe I should have gotten a spoon, right? Alright, I got it nice and mixed up. I already have my skillet heating in the back. You want to liberally season your fish. Liberally. Look how pretty that is. I'm keeping it so simple. So simple. But you want to liberally season. Look how pretty that is already. Your fish. And make sure you get both sides, guys. We don't want no one-sided tasting fish. Okay? We need to season both sides. Okay, now let's cook. Alright, I have my fish in the skillet going. It's so beautiful. And I also have my heat. As you can see, my heat is on number 5. So to have a nice steady, sear. And you want to be able to flip your fish only once. I only want to flip it once. So you want to make sure you cook it nice and slow all the way through.
Alright you guys, so this is my lunch for today. I have some honeydew melons. This looks like it's a lot, but it's about a cup. And my fish right here, it just looks and smells so delicious. Get a quick cut of this. I love catfish. I like it fried and seared, but I can't deep fry it, so next best alternative. Y'all, it's good. And it's juicy, lemony. Lemony, juicy, spicy, delicious. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.